Let me show you how to build a two-step block generator using LangChain SequentialChain and LLaMA automate ideas to content in seconds. First up, we're importing the tools we need from LangChain and LLaMA. These let us build and run AI-powered prompts in Python. Alright, let's kick things off by setting up our language model. In this tutorial, we're using LLaMA version 3.2 running through LLaMA. Here, we're creating an LLM object. That's our AI brain, and telling it to use the latest LLaMA model. Now, let's move to step 1. We want the AI to come up with a blog topic based on something you're interested in. We'll set up a prompt template and wrap it all into a chain called topic context chain. So what's happening here is we're building a prompt that asks for a blog title about your interest, and then we connect it to our language model using a runnable sequence. Next up, step 2. We want the AI to write a paragraph about the topic it just created. So we'll make another prompt and chain for that. Here, we're setting up a new prompt that tells the AI to write one paragraph about the topic. And we wrap it into another runnable sequence called blog chain. Let's see how it all comes together. We'll give the AI an interest, use the first chain to get a topic, then pass that topic into the second chain to get a full paragraph. This is a simple example of chaining AI steps together. Now we set our interest to AI for kids, run the topic chain to get a blog title, and then use that title to generate a blog paragraph. Super cool, right? Alright, time to see what the AI came up with. Let's print out the generated topic and the blog content. Ready? Let's check the output. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.